Lately, I've been receiving quite a few comments, even some emails, asking about where do I get my gloves. They're my signature green gloves, and why do I wear these? These are the best. For instance, how they hold up to solvent. Now, I'm not saying you can take these gloves and soak them in brake cleaner or lacquer thinner, but at least you can work around this chemical a little bit, and the glove won't fall apart like they do with the blue ones. So, you know, I've got a little cleanup to do with this brake cleaner. I'm going to rub off some of these Sharpie marks here. And look at that. Now I got a little on my gloves, but they're not going to just fall apart in the next 5 minutes. And then the ability to last all day, including working with something sharp like a file. Okay, I'm going to file this hole out. You could imagine working with sharp tools, working with other things that can rip and tear those lighter blue gloves. You'll understand why I like these green gloves. Now, unfortunately, we can't get these readily anymore. We used to sell them on my website. That's why we don't have them available for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you see the box. We recently were able to buy 5 boxes of these gloves. I'm going to let you see the box. I'm going to let you see the part number. And then you can go on the hunt yourself. So here's the box, and I'm sure this will help you locate these. They are Microflex Duraflock gloves. They say right on here, they're flocked line green nitrile 8mm gloves. And here is the part number if you should decide to go on the hunt. Right there, there's the part number DFX 608-XL. I use extra large. They tend to be a little small. My hands aren't that large, but the larges are just too tight. You need to let them a little bit of flex because after working on these a long time, you can get sweaty inside these gloves. And by the way, want to see something cool? Look at how this looks. There you have it. Look at it. Even has a cigarette lighter and a USB port. And I should also mention this, one of the reasons I use these green gloves, they look so much better on camera. Those bright blue gloves, by the way, can mess with the exposure setting on your digital cameras. They come in a green box. I wonder why.